to transfer money from Binance to Crypto.com. Now, for today's example, let's choose the USDC coin and go ahead and withdraw it using the crypto network. From here, you'll need to enter the address. Let's check the networks available on Binance, which includes almost all of them. Now go to Crypto.com. From here, you want to select the deposit option and then choose Deposit Crypto. After that, select the USDC coin or another coin you are sending. Then, you need to choose the network. For today, let's select Arbitrum 1, since it has really low fees. Copy the address and go back to Binance to paste it there. The network is now Arbitrum 1. Enter the amount you want to transfer, for example, that amount. If you enter 100, the network fee remains the same. That's pretty much it. After that, just click Withdraw and send it to your Crypto.com application. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.